Well, I am at Barney Family Sport Complex, and I am going to the gun show. You're gonna see some guns, and hopefully, we can, I don't know, maybe learn something new. First time ever that I've been at a gun show in Arizona, or to the west, southwest of the United States of America. So we're going to see what's going on, how people think, how good conditioned boys they are, or if their minds are free. Who knows what I will find? At IFI, I will film inside, but I will tell you all about. Saludos from Queen Creek, Arizona. Come and visit. It's a beautiful town. Saludos.